In this video, you'll learn how to control your devices using the Intermatic Abra app. First, let's start from the home screen. Select the room where your devices are located by clicking on the tabs near the top of the screen. For this example, we will select the living room. In the Lamps section, you can turn lights on and off by pressing the green power icon next to each bulb. If you want to turn all the lights on or off at once, press the corresponding button in the Scene section. To quickly change the settings of a particular bulb, tap on the shortcut arrow below the bulb's icon in the Lamps section. This will bring up the shortcut menu. Quick tabs at the top of the pop-up screen allow you to adjust the bulb's on and off state, mode, brightness, and color or color temperature. For additional settings, choose More Action. In the Main section, you can adjust the color temperature and brightness level in the White tab. From the Color tab, you can change the color with the color picker and adjust the brightness with the slider. To save a particular color as a preset, move the color picker to that color and tap the plus icon at the top. Presets are stored at the top row above the color picker. In the Presets section, you can choose from complex scene and color presets. Additional presets may become available over time. Tap Update at the top of the screen to access them. In the Music section, you can make the bulb react to sounds collected from the microphone of your mobile device. In the Settings section, you can set a schedule, change the Do Not Disturb settings, and adjust the default light state every time the power is turned on. Hit the back arrow to return to the home screen. From here, you can make adjustments on the Smart Plug Gateway by clicking on its icon in the Other Devices section. Underneath the plug icon, you can view current power consumption. By clicking on the arrow to the right, you can view power consumption over time, and you can also monitor operation. Press the back arrow to return to the Smart Plug Gateway control screen. Under the Socket tab, you can control anything that's plugged into it. The power button immediately turns the socket on or off. To set a schedule for when the outlet is powered, tap the timer icon and then the plus icon. You can set a weekly schedule by day and time, or have the outlet turn on or off at sunrise or sunset based on your location and the time of year. To go back, press Cancel and then hit the back arrow. The countdown icon turns the outlet off at a set hour and minute from the present time. Additional settings can be made with the Settings icon. Under the Gateway tab, you can control and change the settings of any Bluetooth devices that communicate with the gateway. Controls and programming for the Surface Switch are explained in another video, which is linked below in the description. Now you're ready to control your devices with the Intermatic Abra app. And if you get stuck at any point in the process, you can contact technical support through the information listed on the screen. If you have any questions or comments, please leave them below or visit Intermatic.com. And be sure to check out our other videos on YouTube or the Intermatic webpage for more tutorials.